Is that a picture thing?
I think the kids need to distract. So let me grab that stuff. We'll just grab this stuff.
Whoa, flame on, John.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey.
Is Matthew down here? He was doing that the other day.
Can he whistle?
Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma and Matthew. Happy birthday to you. Seamus! Who's not yet, Seamus? Go get Twinders, go get it. It's okay.
The lighting guy.
Yeah, you did that too when you were little.
Hey, Liam, you can come and help Grandma blow hers out.
Good job.
No, Seamus, not
Okay,
you.
ready? 1,
Seamus, not you. Hey,
3.
Seamus.
You can have a turn.
No, not John.
Okay, Liam,
I'm gonna get a picture of Maddie opening his present.
Yeah,
Why not let Matthew open his first and then... Oh,
Yeah.
okay, here, Matt. Why don't you open up this one? Open up this present. Here you go. Here's the surprise.
Woohoo!
What is it?
Oh, yeah, Matt.
The Hobbit.
Who is it from?
Uncle Doug.
Will you say to Uncle Doug?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, we gave that one to you. Did you give this one to me?
Sorry, we gave my mom my We totally understand now. Where did you find that?
What did this say?
Who's this for?
Happy.
That's for-
Just wait a second. This is part of the helmet. Matt, why don't you finish opening the gift? What's that?
Knee pad.
Okay, Josh and Seamus, you guys help get the skateboard out, okay?
I got this.
Okay, you're on. Okay, it's the cable. Okay, what's the other thing? Got it. What's the other one there, Maddie? Oh, yeah, very cool. Okay, it's all done? Okay. Now, you want to put some of that on top?
Thank you, Brandon. That's a lovely card.
7 is fun, and 7 is your age all year through, so along with good luck and the happiness. Lucky number 7.
Yeah, let's have a picture here.
Perfect for
Okay.
you. Happy birthday, Matt. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Open it.
Okay,
Lots
just
of love. XOXO. Grandma and Grandpa.
Excellent.
Good job, Liam.
Oh, mustache.
Very
Or a
good,
hat.
Liam.
Oh, a
I'm
hat.
gonna open it after because look what Grandma put on the other side.
Oh, safe skating.
Peanut butter.
But they already have it figured out. Okay, what do you think?
Here, I'll take that, Liam. Yeah, we'll put it out.
Hey Liam,
Okay,
you know what
pull it
the
out.
XOXO is?
Whoa, what pretty
Maybe
paper.
XOX, yeah.
Who's gonna put the hat?
That's a cool helmet.
Oh, what do you think that is? I don't know. I don't know.
Apple TV.
Is it? I was gonna say that. It's awesome.
Okay, how do I get it?
Hey, Maddie, can I put your hat on? I want to see her with her hat on.
What is it?
So it's a little thing.
Wait, I have to hit it hard. I have to hit it hard.
Don't hit your face.
And then you grab it. Okay, I'm good. Stop.
Oh, you're okay.
Put your foot on the front.
But I think a lot of it
I was looking for a
Yeah, where are we at here?